Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the vlog. I haven't done this in a long time. Like, I know we've just been going places because it was summer, but I'm finally ready to get back into it. Do not look at my dirty room. It's messy. I have to make the bed. I just woke up. I got a little bit ready, and now I'm gonna go get the boys up because I can hear them. They're ready to get up. And let's get on with our day. Hi! Good morning. Are you ready? What? You're so cute. Look at you. Daddy put brother's shirt on you. Say, no, guys, I'm not going to be a brother. Not yet. Morning, Jay. And Jay likes to be a doggy. Every morning. This is what we do. Jordan. Where are you going? Jordan. And we are awake. Oh my gosh, you guys, he's getting so big. Jordan, come here. Let's show people. Come here. Come here. What does a cow say? What does a cow say? Moo. Yay. Well, that's the only animal he really knows, but it's so cute. Like, I'm really trying to do good at teaching him all the different sounds of the animals. Jalen is still in dog mode. I started a women's Bible study at church, and this is a really cool book about the book of Jude, which is really only like 24 verses. It's super short, but it's amazing how much they unpack it, and I would totally recommend this book. I got it off Amazon for like $20. Jay, can you hear Mama? Yes, you gotta wait and be patient though. You gotta wait. Kids no patience. Anyways, this is a great book, and if you get the study guide with also the videos, which I think is a bit more, you can watch videos with each session. I did not purchase that because I didn't really understand it. I got it last minute before the Bible study started, but it's been really great. The kids have been watching this cartoon on Netflix called Booba. I like it. He's silly, and it's nice because there's no words. He just makes like little grunts and stuff when he's doing things, but like it's nice because I don't have to hear too much. Like all day cartoons, which you should not do. So this little guy is turning 3 soon, and we've been talking about his birthday. He's really into Blippi. Jordan. What are you doing? Okay, anyways, he's really into Blippi, and he also likes construction, so like his favorite thing is an excavator. And if you watch Blippi, then he has like his excavator song and stuff. So we're gonna do a mix between both of those, and it's actually just gonna be at a pizza place called Godfather's Pizza. If you guys are in the Pacific Northwest, those are out here. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of decorations there, which I will show you guys when that time comes. His birthday's in November. We decided to do that just because we'll be coming back from Puerto Rico, and it will just be coming back on his birthday. So we're just gonna do something more simple and still fun and cute, and something he'll love, and I'm gonna make him a special cake. Huh, yeah. Do you hear what's going on? Can you hear it? They already fight, you guys. I have a 2-year-old and a 1-year-old, and they already fight. What's happening?
More.
You want more? Are you sharing?
Yeah.
Giorgio, is he sharing?
Okay.
Sharing means I love you, remember?
Love you.
Yeah, I love you. Good job. Anyways, I wanted to tell you guys, I'm actually gonna be, I'm late, but I'm gonna be decorating for fall and for Halloween. I was just going through my bins, seeing what I have with the new stuff that I got over the weekend. I'm gonna be showing you guys that right now. I'm gonna show you guys, I found all this. This is like stuff that I've been having. So I'm gonna put some of these things in the front and maybe in the backyard or around the house. I'm not sure, but I have tons of like little decor. I might not use all of these, but I have these that I want to place around. I found this at Ross. Thought it was nice. I want to add something though, like some foliage or like a bow up here. And then I was thinking of painting the words gold. I'm not 100% sure and I can't find my gold yet, so that might not happen. All right, so this is what I have. It's going to be a mixture of like cute Halloween stuff with fall decor. I got this cute little thing for the toilet paper in the bathroom at Ross. I got these at Ross. These are $5.99 and they're super cute. I have like some bats that I believe this is like a table runner. And then just some random stuff. I'm gonna be making a sign for my front door that I'm gonna show you guys using my Cricut. So I have some stuff for the Cricut. I got ribbon for it. I have different decor that I'm gonna go on there, but look at how great this is. It's a big circular board that will be able to get hung on the door. I'm super excited. I'm going to print something out on my Cricut and using my vinyl and put it on there. But it's really nice because it's not too badly rough. I think the most are these two right here, but I just love the way it looked. I was gonna actually create my own, but I found this for like $13.99 at Michael's and I was like, done. I love it. I love the colors. And then I want to make another one for Christmas. So I got flowers over here. This is old. This is like things that I've had. And then over here, I have just some random things like spiders and pumpkins. This is a cute little cupcake flower. Uh-oh. Jordan's been moody. I think he's teething. And look at that. You see all these bruises on his head? This kid falls all day long, huh? Now that you can walk, he's getting more and more hurt. He runs into everything. He literally ran into this little wall behind me this morning, huh? Yeah, you're always getting hurt. And, you know, they started fighting, like bickering, and Jalen doesn't really understand, so he'll like push. I'm trying to figure out how to go about that. Yeah, that's my hair. But he's still a happy boy, huh? Yeah. Mwah. Love you. They love their daddy time. When Joel has a moment, he will occasionally come visit the boys and me for a moment. I was showing them that I'm gonna attempt to decorate. Look at this kitchen. It's a mess.
Very festive in here.
Yeah. And you guys, our hydrangea it's going, you know, it's gonna go dormant. So it's our hydrangea tree. And these are actually dry. These, isn't it beautiful? Like they still look alive. So I love to use these this time of year because they'll stay like this until I throw them away and like the pieces start breaking off. But I also have this one over here. I do have a little bit of water, but if you touch it, it's dry too. So I'm gonna actually decorate this area. And another thing I wanted to show you is that when I'm decorating, I will use the bins to store things that I'm not gonna have out for this season. And then once I put these things away, that stuff will come back out. And then of course, Christmas and so on. And then I do the same thing with all that. But let's get decorating. I don't know that I'm gonna actually record it. I might just show you, but I am gonna be showing you guys how I do this.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm just chilling.
Hello, your daddy. He wants hugs and kisses. Oh, he's being a butt right now. This happens every day around the same time. Daddy Jay. Goodness. Aww. I love my boys, but I still want my girl next.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl.
I'm gonna be briefly showing you guys how I make my front door sign for fall using my Cricut and just some things that I bought at different craft stores. But if you do want to see the full-length video, I will be releasing that either on Monday or Tuesday, so stay tuned. Enjoy watching and I hope you feel inspired.
You were only like a friend, oh, till we met the other day. Oh, didn't want the night to end. Oh, and now there's a wind of change. I never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind, deep inside my mind. I think that now's the time. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Ain't spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm counting hours, minutes, seconds, faster, hurry, make it happen. Before we know it, I'll be on my way home. Yeah, we're chilling, I just, you and I. Every crazy summer night, baby, I am coming home. I'm coming home. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun.
So you're just gonna want to zip tie these all together, pinching them together. There's nothing really involved. Then you'll cut that off and then get twine and wrap it around to cover up this. And if you get clear, that's even better, but I only had red on hand. And then I'm just gonna cut these all and make them look like little bees. I'll show you guys.
Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you.
All right, here it is. I love it. It came out so pretty. Joel likes it without the bow, like if it was just to hang on the door like this. I have mixed feelings too. I'm outside. What are you doing? I don't want to record like that. Just go out. Stop. Oh my. Bummer. I'm gonna have to like. Does it still kill it? Oh, it's still cute. I like it. I'm happy. Guys, really quick, what I just put together, I think it's really cute. I got this little box at the Dollar Tree. It had like a little handle. I removed it, and I guess you could like sit it out with stuff in it, but I wanted to stand it up. So I just used my Cricut. I got the free pumpkin where you don't have to pay, but I did pay 99 cents for the fall vibes. And then I just added some of the leaves I have and this extra piece of like flower. I'm not really sure what that is. And then I think I'm gonna put it in the bathroom or something. I think it's really cute. Just something to sit out every year. I love the way it came out. This is what I got going up in the kitchen. I put the leaves. I just added some pumpkins in random places. I'm thinking about changing these flowers out to maybe sunflowers or something more fall. And then I just added a little spider there. And then right here, I have some spiders and my fall decoration, my leaves. I love this, you guys. I got this at Hobby Lobby, or actually this is from Ross. Fall for Jesus, he never leaves. I thought it was so cute. But I have this here. And this is the little bar table that we have. I want to make it fun for the kids, but I can't really do too much. Jalen was already getting all the leaves and shoved them in the pumpkin. I had to pull them out. But I think it's cute, and I'm sure that won't be the first time. And I decided to put this guy right here. And there's my baby at the fair sitting on a tractor. That's so cute. But it's cute and festive.
I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl. But now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you.
I also wanted to show you guys, I got these really great pillows. I got a yellow one and this white one for fall. They're from Costco, and I think they're only like $12.99 each, and I just think they're beautiful. I love them.
I'm coming home. You were only like a friend till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end, and now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way.
So this is what I came up with. I am in love with the front of our house. It has never looked so cute and festive. Let me show you guys. I found these beautiful fall mums at a liquidation store that we have down here, as well as the pots. So I got 3 of the pots and 3 of the mums. These were only like $4.99, and they're huge, and all of them have been beautiful. I really want to go get more. It's hard to say no because they're so beautiful. I want, like, they have white and they have yellow, and they have like a different, like darker, like purplish burgundy color. But these pots were, I think, $6.99. So these we've had for like a month or two. We've just been waiting for something good to put in, and I just think they look perfect right here, right now. I have this cute harvest fall sign that I had a long time ago. I think I got that back at maybe Michael's a long time ago. Here's this area. I don't feel like this really matches. We live by a busy street and a school, so I don't feel like this matches. It's got blue in there. I think that's pretty. I do want to get some more pumpkins, maybe like 2 more, like a white one. But I'm thinking about adding maybe similar things like this to this one to kind of tie it all in. But I do, Joelle was saying that the letters here match the wood grain here, so it is really cute. I've never had our front of the house look so sweet and just super for the holidays. We also got this really cute carpet, front door rug. It says Hello Autumn. It has gotten wet because I sprayed down, and you can't even tell that I sprayed everything. It got dirty overnight with the winds, but it's really cute. The only thing is unfortunately it's a little too tall, so when I open the door it slides out, so we kind of have to like hold it in place. So that's a bummer, but it was only 10 bucks at Michael's, and I still do love it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. My little monkeys are awake. Jalen is now at the stage where he just comes out of his room. Fortunately, or not unfortunately, but fortunately, Jordan can't get out yet. So I'm gonna get my little kids up, and we, today after Joelle gets off work, are gonna be taking them to Odyssey 1, I think it's called. It's like a little place that you can play games and do fun things. So we're excited. We're gonna get them ready to go, and we will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.